Hey guys, so I am gonna show you
Excuse me, Mom.
yes.
We quiet for 2 minutes and say please.
Please be quiet for 2 minutes. Thank you. Okay, hey guys, I am going to show you how I'm gonna use our new KKW Beauty body makeup to cover my bruise on my arm. I got my blood drawn the other day and it's not cute. So I'm so excited that we're launching the new mini sizes. You said you'd be quiet for 2 minutes. Here's our travel size versus our regular size. I'm gonna show you the new colors, our new setting powders. It's gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna cover it up with medium in our new travel size, medium body makeup. So I'm gonna take our body brush.
Can you press on it? Will it hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt. Just gonna take a little. I kind of dab it. No, it doesn't hurt. It's a few days old.
You should draw a face on it.
Draw a face on it?
Yeah.
Why? So you can go over it like a few times, like once or twice, just. Oh my God, I forgot how good our body makeup smells. Okay, once I feel like I have a pretty good coverage, then I'm going to, I think I'm gonna set it with number 2. And this is our new brush and it is so amazing. And you just like put it in. And I'll just like set the whole arm of wherever I put it on. And this setting powder,
You're like, what?
will just seal it all in.
I want to do that to my face.
And then just to show you,
What if you
here's
clean
the
up your
lighter
mess
one,
before
just so
it?
you can see.
What if you
I'll clean up the mess on the counter when I'm done, Northie. Or do you want to help me clean it?
No,
This is the lighter color. It really blends in so nice on the skin. This is our new KKW Beauty loofah, and it has the KKW Beauty handle. So cute. So I would wash it off in the shower, but I'm going to show you guys. Okay, watch this. Was that like so satisfying?
No.
North, please stop with the commentary.